let me show you how to use Reimagine on Google Pixel 10. So the first thing that we need to do is open Photos, and we need to open the photo that we wish to edit. Now over here I'm gonna press Edit at the bottom of the screen. Now we can select the area that we wish to reimagine. So let me try to, for example, select this car toy that I have over here. And now as you can see, we have this reimagine option. So let's go ahead and choose this option and let's see what happens next. Over here we have reimagine as, so we can write what should be converted this car toy into. So let's say I'm gonna simply write something like yellow car. And let's see what happens. Of course, the more details you provide, you probably get better results. But let's see if it works with this simple task, with this simple phrase that I have provided over here with this prompt. And there we go, it was converted. The toy more or less looks the same. Of course, we have some imperfections here and there. We have different results. And yeah, it doesn't look too bad, I would say. It's pretty decent. And this is how it works. Of course, we can tap on this check in the bottom right corner in order to apply the change. If you want to, you can just tap X as well on the left side. And there we go. Of course, now we have to save our photo, so we can save as copy. You can also tap on, well, there's nothing here actually, so never mind. So we can save as copy, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.